At 1Click Heating and Cooling, we have an amazing and growing staff of internal, external, and subcontractor partners utilized clear across the country. In many rural cases, we have an amazing servicing network of subcontracting partners that are happy to come out 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. In our larger metropolitan areas and our partnership locations clear across the country, we have an amazing internal crew of fully licensed, both electricians and refrigeration technicians, and we're very proud of our apprenticeship and mentorship program.